ring liwangan ko'y kansyon. Galila, taula tayo. Eat all you can. Gumis, Malasiki, Pangasinan. Dahil ngayon, birthday ni Lovely Ballesteros Aragon. Tara, pasukin natin ang Tres Hermanos. Eat all you can sa pagkain. Aking sari ang babantay ditan. Subscribe yung lasirin. San pantayan tayura, yamangan. Galila, Tres Hermanos. Mangan tayo hanggan antutan. Siyempre, ta birthday, aga nababalang, so cake. Cake yasibukan. Atan, so gagawin lang lanang, nolay birthday. Lukasan tila sirin, amay cake yasibuk-sibuk. Ni lukasan dala may cake. San kasumpalda, agi limiber iraad na akan. Niliber da. Agi dakil manaya sa antami da iset. Dakil manaya na akan dya. Agi ninang mi walay bangus. Agi wala ni pansit. Agi binasak may tagay, Tres Hermanos, eat all you can niya to ah. Amay-amay, niyang nang konsansakay, agi aga makapasawa. Niyang nang kumasinanay Maura, agi nang karyaos matla. Nitang Lara, dakdakel, makapalunit amo, pero jad 349, sulit la sa kwartam. Nasil kala, wala ni painawam. Siyempre, ta birthday, mang karyaos tila. Karyaosan tayo, sa gabagabay tayon sira. Akin bantay tila, san sabayan tayura, agi makapailol man ilolak, nanunang ng kulaba su video da. Agi, walay ng lukas, ni lukasanda, santada ang sakit, manayak, kinirala. Agi, masamsamit ng lalo no dakdakil sugata. Ni lukasanda mo manay, sa antak sira, manay chacharon, walay apayas mo't. Siyempre, aga na iwasan, so tawa yan. Kasumpaldan, tinawayan, agin ang karyaos na lamot ira. Siyempre, eat all you can kanda. Bagabagada, no eat all you can, panom so platom, akin antan, so ginawa da. Siyempre, anang nang kuininong Nazario, nilinggis to. Agi, dakil kuno'y sira, pero sa kursonada to, aman so pising kuno, nilinggis to may pising. Kiklay sangik, agi, mampatugtog tini magano, tan sa kiklay sangik, yaman o over, voice over, agi, dengal kinisirin, tanang nangan tayo, so ipapangan da, Tres Hermanos.
Happy birthday, ate.
Thank you so much.
Wow, may palabog. This is my favorite.
Palabog.
Pansit.
Kunti lang. Tapos,
What's that?
rice. Paano picture?
Wow. Eat all you can. Ganito pala yung...
Mamaya yung dessert.
Ay, doon yung dessert. Sarap naman. Pipindutan ka na.
Wala bang ano dito?
Ayan na lang.
Bangus. Wala yun.
Ay, ano ito eh? Ano ito eh? Ano yan?
And this is beef steak.
Chicken asado.
Beef steak?
Ayun, beef.
And
Chicken asado.
asado.
Wala, wow.
Guys, titikman po natin lahat.
Ano naman yan? Buttered mix.
No.
Vegetable. Ay, dito pala yun.
Pork minuto. Tikman natin lahat. Ay. Ay, pakbo. Mamaya.
Ano to? Ano to?
Tinulang manok.
Tinulang manok.
May lagay.
Mamaya ulit. Kain ko ulit.
Mamaya. Gusto ko.
Ay, oo nga. Dapat anuin mo pa yung cake mo, ate. Sabaw lang.
Tinulang may kutsara dyan.
Ay, andito. Doon, hindi daw dyan.
Asumpal ay tugtog, asumpal mo lay karyaos. Siyempre, umpisa la, supanangan. Siyempre, amay sibuk-sibuk, yakik. Akin galila, taibaan tayo, yaman sibuk yakik. Agay! Basta Pangasinan, agyutan na lingwanan. Suwaray sibuk-sibuk no panangan. Happy, happy birthday!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night.
Happy birthday.
Limang tayo po.
Birthday to you.
Ta asumpalay kansyon. Siyempre, antoy aalaga rin tayo. Di mangan tila, galila, ta iba ang tailaran, mangan. Siyempre, numamangan ira, music maestro.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I
are you running?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Agi, eleg-eleg lara na sa lara nga babaingan nira ed kamera. Agi, mangan tilabat ta makapailol sumangan ed tres hermanos. Siyempre, aray babantay ditan, agi matlilingwanan, i-subscribe sa channel mi, sa Facebook page mi. Siyempre, mindset. It all you can, sansay kitaan ed YouTube. Akin, agyo lilingwanan mat kumon, ya i-subscribe tayo sa channel mi, no nasabi-sabi. Ed, sayan agaw. To be continue, alagaryo, so on sublay, ya video.
Damn!